Hi, we are the Eagles team and we are trying to tackle the last mile delivery problem with drones.
Yeah, so in the last 20 years, companies like Amazon and Uber have made express delivery a reality, but mainly in densely populated areas, leaving many communities without access to these services. And it all comes down to a common issue, which is the last mile delivery problem, which is how to pick up the multiple goods from multiple stores and deliver to multiple clients. And even in densely populated areas, this still accounts for around 41% of the cost in the supply chain. And we believe that there is a big gap in the delivery ecosystem that is limiting the accessibility and making a negative impact in the environment.
So imagine that someone is living in a rural region or in the suburbs, someone with limited access to nearby stores or mobility issues. They don't get the same options as we do live in the big city centers. So how to provide them with more fair equality of services? So with that in mind, that companies start integrating drones into their delivery ecosystem because they increase accessibility while reducing emissions and potentially at lower fees.
And so there are already some companies trying this kind of solutions, such as Wing, that has partnership with Walmart and DoorDash to make their deliveries, and Zipline, that is focusing on medicine delivery across Africa. But both of these solutions use a lot of space, making it difficult to automate and scale it up.
So what if we could provide an autonomous, scalable infrastructure to pharmacies, restaurants, you name it, to bring the future of drone delivery earlier to everyone?
So with the EagleSport, we can allow drones to launch horizontally into a conveyor belt that will streamline the operations, making it easy to automate and scale it up. So the advantages are that we can have from small to large footprints, and we can have a partially or fully autonomous systems, and it's easy to scale it up because we can stack the ports vertically.
Yeah, and you may be wondering how our business model is going to work. So we sell the EagleSport one-time payment, a software to manage the fleet of drones and annual subscription, and we also take participation on the delivery fees. Our customers get, for the first time, also participation delivery fees, which usually go to companies like Uber. And they also increase their reach. And their clients get finally access to express delivery at potentially at lower fees. And imagine that we bring this system to the restaurant market, which in Japan has 700,000 units. And we get only 0.5% of this market. We'll be making $46 million in revenue. But to start, we'd like to start a pharmacy delivery to test our business model. But it doesn't end there, because the EagleSport is just an infrastructure for drone fleet management, so we could bring that to many other markets. And you may be wondering, who are these guys to develop this system? So me and my partner, we are robotics. And Gustavo here work with multiple manipulator robots, and the guy even has a satellite in space.
And Yuri is exactly specializing in drone automation technology using AI systems, and also developing the EagleSport.
For our final remarks, we'd like to say that patents have been issued, the EagleSport has been prototyped, and next we are looking forward to make the MVP to test our business model. Thank you very much.
Thank you.